rectangle OKAY. So we have to draw the rectangle by using this measurement. First we can draw rough diagram. So a rectangle will be like this. So this is the rough diagram. So here now we can mark the points O, K, A, Y. So here OK is given as 7 centimeter. So this OK will be 7 centimeter. KA, so this will be 5 centimeter. So we know in the rectangle opposite sides are equal. So the OK will be 7 centimeter, then AY will be 7 centimeter, KA will be 5 centimeter, so OY will be 5 centimeter. So this will be our rough diagram. So next we have to draw fair diagram for this. Okay, fair diagram. So first we have to draw the fair diagram with the base. So here the base is O and K. So OK is 7 centimeter. So first we have to draw OK 7 centimeter. Take your scale and draw a baseline of 7 centimeter. So this is OK 7 centimeter. Okay, so this is O and this is K. So this will be 7 centimeter. So next we have to draw a perpendicular line of 90 degree. Okay, so mark 90 degree point from K as well as from O, because a rectangle having 90 degree at each corner. So we have to draw 90 degree. So this will be the 90 degree point. Here this will be the 90 degree point from O. Here this point will be 90 degree from K. Okay, so by using scale and pencil, connect these points like this. So like that, connect these points. So this will be 90 degrees. So this is the ray. You just take this ray as X and this ray as Y. Now we have to draw the breadth. Okay, so see this diagram. Here the breadth is 5 centimeter. So by using compass we have to cut an arc from O 5 centimeter. So now take your compass and measure 5 centimeter, because breadth is 5 centimeter. So measure 5 centimeter like this. So after measuring this, keep your compass at O and measure 5 centimeter. After measuring this, keep your compass at point O and cut an arc in the ray X. So similarly, keep your compass at point K, cut an arc in the ray Y. Okay, now we have to connect these points. So by using scale and pencil, connect these points. This OX also you have to connect with scale and pencil. This KY also you have to connect with scale and pencil. Okay. Now we have completed the fair diagram. we just mark the points now. OK, this will be A and this will be Y. We know this will be 5 centimeter and this angle will be 90 degree. This angle also 90 degree. So this will be the required FAR diagram. Okay children, thank you.